Welcome to Spectre Tech Solutions. In this video, we will see software update of Vivo Y71i. Let's begin. You can see here, it's a small update. You can see the update log, improve the system security, new Android security patch, and optimize the system. Here I've already downloaded the update, so let's install the update. You can see here, the device is switched off. To install the update, I request you not to press any buttons on your device until the device gets switched on. If you press any buttons, your device may misbehave and you can lose the data from your device. So now let's speed up this process to save your precious time. The update is now successfully installed in this device. Let's see. You can see here, the latest software update is successfully installed in this device. And works fine. If you like our content and watch more videos, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
It's caught in the crossfire.